Good morning, friends. Good morning. Let's continue with options further. We had seen the call options. We have seen that call option is a right to buy an underlying asset on or before maturity date, and then the profit or loss at maturity if delivery does not take place, which is more important. Normally delivery does not take place at all. So if delivery does not take place, then there are two cases. If ST greater than E, then profit will be equal to ST minus E minus P, and similarly if ST is less than E, holder will not exercise and profit will be simply the amount of premium that is paid. Then we have seen the purchaser of the call option is called long. Purchaser of the call option is said to have a long position. The seller of the option is said to have a short position. If we continue with the same example of that father and his daughter, the engagement, marriage, etc., and then we continue with put option. Then we continue with put option. The same example, the same story of the father and his daughter. Let's continue. 1st January 2010, the engagement was fixed. Ring ceremony हो गई. Engagement done. Marriage fixed. So 31st March 2010 is the date of the marriage. Engagement done and marriage is fixed. Now, suppose he holds, suppose this father holds ten shares of Reliance, and he plans that this Reliance can be used to purchase the gold required for the purpose of giving it to the other party. लड़के वाले को देने के लिए गोल्ड चाहिए, गोल्ड खरीदने के लिए उसे Reliance shares को बेचना पड़ेगा. So only change I have made is, instead of the FD which was going to mature, he is now holding 10 shares of Reliance. He wants to purchase 15,000 rupee worth of gold. क्योंकि उसे एक नक्की हो गया कि गोल्ड में कॉल ऑप्शन लिया है तो उसकी कॉस्ट 15,000 से ज्यादा कभी नहीं होगी. That we already discussed in the last lecture. गोल्ड की कॉस्ट 15,000 से ज्यादा नहीं होगी. The upper limit already been fixed. 15,000 से भाव ऊपर जाएगा तो भी he will exercise his call option and get the gold at a price of 15,000 मैक्सिमम। अब उसे 15,000 रुपए के लिए एफडी नहीं है, एक रिलायंस के 10 शेयर्स है। अभी उसे ये टेंशन है कि रिलायंस का भाव अगर मैच्योरिटी के दिन 1500 से कम हो गया, इफ रिलायंस प्राइस goes down below 1,500 rupees, then he will not be able to realize 15,000 rupees needed for the purchase of gold. So again, एक टेंशन और हुआ कि 15,000 से गोल्ड का भाव ऊपर नहीं जाएगा by taking a call option. Now he is also worried that रिलायंस का प्राइस 1500 से कम नहीं हो जाए. Okay? So what he did? He approached a broker. ब्रोकर को उसने क्या बताया कि मुझे 1500 कम से कम प्राइस से मिलनी चाहिए। ब्रोकर ने बोला कोई परेशानी नहीं है, 10 शेयर रिलायंस है, एन एग्रीमेंट इज सेट। एग्रीमेंट में क्या किया उसने? एग्रीमेंट में ये किया, फादर गॉट अ राइट, फादर बाय वे ऑफ हिज एग्रीमेंट गॉट अ राइट टू सेल दीज शेयर्स at a minimum price of 15,000 rupees. That means the deal is like this. Through this option, father acquired a right to sell the shares Reliance or the underlying asset at a specified price of 1,500 each. Right to sell 10 shares at a specified price of 1,500 each. उसने ये राइट एक्वायर किया ब्रोकर से कि मुझे मिनिमम 15,000 तो मिलना ही चाहिए, नहीं तो मेरी डॉटर की मैरिज में तकलीफ पड़ सकती है। So father acquired a right to sell 10 Reliance shares at a specified price of 1,500 each. फिर बोला अगर भाव दो केस हो सकता है। फर्स्ट केस ST लेस देन E, अगर 1500 से इसका भाव कम हो जाए, सपोज मार्केट प्राइस ऑन मैच्योरिटी बिकम्स 1200 रुपए, पर फिर भी फादर को राइट है